Guys, it's Amy and Brian. Say hi, Brian. Say hey. Okay. We're gonna start in just a moment. I'm gonna gather everything that we need, and we're gonna have a good time today, right? Uh-oh. We're gonna have a good time. All right. Brian, you give Mama kisses? Okay, we're gonna have a good time, right? Yeah, buddy. Okay, so today's Tuesday, so today is spelling and animal sounds. I'm gonna throw in a few fun like toy interactions as well. And I got my fruit snacks, so he gets one because he's being a good boy. He sat down and that's paying attention and listening to my directions. When I told him to sit down, he did sit down before I started the camera. Here you go, Brian. Here you go. Yeah, we're going to get there, okay? So let's start with our ABCs. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Woo! Oh, pulled out my earring. High five. Okay. A, B, C, touch it. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, sit down, good boy. Here. T, U, V, W, look at my lips, X, Y, and then Z. Good job, buddy. Good job. Okay. So I'm going to throw in a fun thing to do. This is the stacking game. Because I like to keep it fun. We're going to take turns. Yep, place it right here. You want to go first? This is good eye and hand coordination on top. Woo-wee. Good job. Mama's turn. On top. Woo! Brian's turn. Your turn, Brian. On top, babe. On top. You can do it. High five. Mama's turn. Woo-wee. Bry's turn. Your turn, Bry. Put it on top. You can do it. You did it! High five. And Mama's turn. You want to go? We do it together. Boom! Up! Woo! Good job. All right, let's get a dummy to you. You did a great job, Brian. Good job. Woo! Next, we're going to do our spelling words. And today we're working with the UGG. Bri, sit down. Sit. Be a good boy. Okay, so the first word is bug. I know the camera's backwards, but we got a bug picture. B-U-G. Bug. So I'm going to set it up right here, and we're going to work on it together. B-U-G. What is this, Bri? It's a bug. Bug. B-U-G. B-U-G. Hey, we're going to calm down. Calm down. Bug. B-U-G. B-U-G. I got this card, and he's going to write the word on there, but I'm going to overhand him. Here, Brian. Let's sit those down. B. U. Relax. It's okay, babe. It's okay, hon. Relax. Show me hands. Show me hands. Show me hands. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. He also has a little cold. We're just getting over the flu, so he could be irritated about that too. Like he just doesn't want to do it. It's okay, Brian. It's okay. Let's relax. Relax. Listen. Look it. Let's do a gummy. Let's have a gummy. Huh? Okay. Yes. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. Let's write it. B. U. G. Bug. You did it. Bug. Good job, Bri. See? What's the next one, Bri? We got hug. Give Mama hugs. Oh, good boy. Here, we get another gummy. Give Mama hugs. Let's do it together. Hug. H. U. G. Hug. Let's write it. H. U. G. Hug. Oh, hugs. Good job, Bri. Here you go. That was our spelling words for today. We're going to move on to our next assignment, which is the animal sound. We love animals. Who's in here? We're going to do 5 animals. Sit down. We'll do, give me those. We'll do yellow. Who's in the yellow house? Sit down. Calm down, Brian. Listen. We're going to relax. Mom, you got to go. You're distracting him. All right. Take 2. Here we are. Yellow. Who's in the yellow house? Knock, 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 knock. Knock, knock, knock. Open up. Who's in the house? Who's in the yellow house? Show Mama who it is. Nope. Show Mama who it is. It's Mr. Pig. Mr. Piggy. Mr. Pig. Okay. Bye, Mr. Pig. We'll see you next week. All right. What about who's in the greenhouse? Who's in the greenhouse, huh? Open. Good job. Who's in there? Who is that? No. Who's in there? Who is that? Get him out. He's going to hop right out. He's going to hop out. Boing, boing, boing. It's Mr. Froggy. Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. Okay, put him in the house. Bye, Mr. Frog. We'll see you next week, too. Okay, next we have Blue. Who's in the blue house? Relax. We got Mr. Dog. What sound does Doggy make? Ruff, 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 ruff. A ruff, 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 ruff. Okay, bye, Doggy. Lid goes back on. Good job. And our last one is the red house. Knock, 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 knock. Oh my God. Oh, we didn't see who we have. It's Mr. Cow. Get Cowie out. Get Cowie out. Who we got? Mr. Cow. Okay. Moo. Moo. The cow goes moo, moo. Moo, moo. Bye, Mr. Cow. See you next week, Mr. Cow. Put the lid back on. Lid on. Nope. Lid on. Good job. High five. Gummy for you. All right, and our next thing is the race cars. We're going to have some fun real quick because he's just having a hard time today. That's all right. We're going to do yellow car. You want to do red car? You can do red car. I'll be yellow, you be red. And you got green. Okay. All right. Brian, let's put our cars up top. Ready? 1, 2. No, you can't cheat. 1, 2, 3. Go. Oh. Why is it not going? There we go. Oh. Do the green one up top. Put that up top. On top. Whee! Whee! Put it on top, Brian. Let me see how fast you can go. Ready? 1. Put them on top. On top. Put them on top. Here. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Go! Woo! Can Mama have one? Thank you. Let's do it again. You put one on there? 1, 2, 3. Go! Fix it. There we go. Oh! There Hims is. Woo! Do it again. Ready? You do this one. I'll do this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Yeah! Let's do it again. Ready? You do this one. I'll do this one. 1, 2. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Go! You gonna put them back in their houses? Their garage? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. You did a good job, Brian. High five. High five. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. I know you're irritated. Here. Hey. Relax. Relax. Give Mama a hug. It's okay. It's okay. I know. You've got a cold. And we're all out of gummies anyway. Oh, we got one left. You want it? Alright. Go play. It's a hot day. We'll work on more later on tonight. Here you go. You got a cold. Yes, you do.
I'm here to pick up Brian.
Mom, you've been a distraction the whole time. Take your grandson.
Not really. I'm going home.
Okay, so that was our Tuesday work for the day. And we'll see you back tomorrow for more. And I'm also going to be posting another video today that will be woo! That will be our routine and like what I use and what I do for him and stuff like that. Today he did good. He did good. He just had a little bit of rough patches because he has a cold and he gets irritated really quickly when he has a cold. Excuse me. So I'm going to clean up the mess. Tomorrow he's going to help me clean up the mess. But today I let him slide because he's finally feeling better from having the flu / cold, whatever the heck it has been. But thanks for watching us, guys. Love ya. See you tomorrow.